Hey everyone, welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today's video is a real treat for all of you HeroQuest lovers out there, because we are diving into some amazing fan-made content that's been arriving in my doorstep over the last few weeks. Let's start with this, the Event Cards deck by HeroQuest, a passionate group creating homebrew content for our beloved HeroQuest. Look at this deck. The cards are beautifully illustrated, with a layout that clearly respects the vintage spirit of the original game, while bringing something new and flavorful to the table. Each card introduces a unique event that can twist the flow of your dungeon crawl. Some are fun, some are dangerous, and a few are downright game-changing. This kind of material really enhances replayability. You can instantly feel the love and dedication poured into every detail. HeroQuest did a wonderful job here. Clean graphic design, a solid card stock, and plenty of atmosphere. Now, let's move on to something that truly blew my mind. This custom expansion box titled Cleric, Divine Warrior, a game from HeroQuest Italia. If you haven't checked them out yet, go take a look. They are on Facebook and their work is outstanding. Look at this box, it's incredibly faithful to the original HeroQuest packaging. From the font choices to the layout, it feels like something straight off a today's store shelf. Inside, we've got two stunning miniatures, a female cleric and a male cleric, both already primed in red, ready to hit the painting table. And again, the care in sculpting, the style, even the miniature poses, all of it feels coherent with the original HeroQuest aesthetics, while introducing something fresh. Next, from the ever creative folks at Minis 3D Shop, here's something I've been waiting to show you. 3 incredible fan-made models based on the classic HeroQuest lore. First up, Sir Ragnar, in 2 versions. One as the commander of the guards, standing proud and armored, and the second one in his captured form, the version many of us remember from the rescue mission in the original quests. Both sculpts are full of character and storytelling potential. And then there's the mentor. Yes, that mentor, holding the book of spells in his iconic pose, just like in the game's original artwork. It's honestly amazing to finally see him brought to life in 3D form. These miniatures aren't just beautiful, they tell stories, and that's exactly what makes them so special. Now, let me say this loud and clear. Fan-made content like this is essential to the life of HeroQuest. Yes, some of it may not go through the full legal route, and it's true, not everything carries the official stamp. But here's the thing, as long as these projects aren't trying to replace the brand or compete unfairly with it, they actually do the opposite. They support it. They keep the flame burning. They inspire creativity. They keep players engaged. And most importantly, they grow the community by offering new material to explore, customize, and fall in love with. Without these creators, people like those behind HeroQuest and 3D Quest, many of us would have left HeroQuest behind years ago. Instead, we're still here, still playing, still dreaming. As I carefully place these precious miniatures into this custom black box, each one tucked safely into its own slot of hand-shaped foam, I can't help but feel something more than just admiration for the craftsmanship. This isn't just storage, it's a shrine to creativity, to passion, and to the community that keeps HeroQuest alive. There's even space for the event deck, because stories and characters belong together. What you've seen today isn't just a collection of fan-made content, it's living proof that the adventure never truly ends. It evolves piece by piece, card by card, miniature by miniature, thanks to the imagination of people who still believe into the magic of HeroQuest. So here's to them, and to all of you who keep the torch burning. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if this video inspired you, and stay tuned, because soon we'll bring in these heroes to life with paint, brushes and a little bit of magic. Happy crafting!